The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern La Crosse County in west-central Wisconsin, southern Jackson County in west-central Wisconsin, northwestern Monroe County in west-central Wisconsin, southeastern Trempealeau County in west-central Wisconsin, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near North Bend, or 16 miles southeast of Whitehall, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been reported by the public. Reported 1-inch hail at 2:45 p.m. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Black River Falls around 3:55 p.m. Millston around 4:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Franklin, Melrose, Shamrock, the Black River Correctional Center, Pigeon Creek Campground, Camp Decorah, and Beach Corners. This includes Interstate 94 between mile markers 109 and 135. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Jackson, La Crosse, Monroe, and Trempealeau. The severe thunderstorm warning for central Winona and southeastern Buffalo counties is